choose love, you'll me for wrong. Money and love. If I choose love, tell me if I'm wrong. Money and love. If I choose love, tell me if I'm wrong. Baby, it's you I choose.
Yeah.
Morning, Dad.
Morning. No, you look good. Please join me.
No, thank
It
you.
tastes good. All right. So, well, wait.
So, aside from managing your hotel, I'm to take over and run your company at the detriment of what I want to do with my life?
A chef?
Yes! Daddy, that is what I want to do. I love cooking.
God. Look around you, Sophia. This house, your room, the cars you drive, the trips you take, the expenses you make. Even that 6 months you spent in that culinary school. All because of a pipe dream a godforsaken pipe dream, I should say, that you're nurturing, which is actually dead on arrival. Yes. You think all this came as a result of passion? No. It's as a result of tough decisions, hard decisions. Which reminds me, Ace, yes, will be coming along to see you one of these days.
I'm not marrying a man I don't know. I don't know why you're imposing this on me.
Sophia, meet the boy first, my darling daughter. We're building wealth and solidifying relationships, eternal wealth, everlasting. But because you have food to eat, so you can afford to have all these nonsense ideas of yours. What if you didn't? No, answer me. What if you didn't? So I say, meet the young man first, my love. Anyway, just lost my appetite.
Baby, have you added the crayfish, pepper, salt?
Yes, Daddy.
And what pepper did you use?
The Cameroonian one, as you told me.
Okay, that's good. Just leave it to cook for like 10 minutes before you add the ugu leaves. Honey, if it is not sweet, we're gonna have a fight.
It will be, Daddy. I love you. See you later.
All right, baby. I love you too, little fox. See you soon.
I prefer red pepper. I think it brings out the flavor better.
Oh, well, you're missing a lot because I use that to steam the animals.
What animals?
The goat, fish, chicken.
Why do you call them the animals?
Aren't they animals?
They are.
Well, my daughter is not really good with pepper, and she took that from her late mother.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
No, it's okay. It's been 4 years. I'm actually okay.
I mean, how old is your daughter? She sounds too little to be in the kitchen.
Oh, she's 10.
Wow.
She loves cooking. Yeah. And that she took from me.
Really?
Yeah.
You cook?
Ma'am, if I cook for you, trust me, you will not want to miss my food ever again. I'm serious. Okay, just imagine this. Queso, in peppered sauce. Then you sprinkle onions on it.
And then don't forget the yam fries, the ones that sliced very
Yeah.
tiny. By the side, a tiny cup of ketchup.
Oh, and don't forget your salad toppings.
I love salads. Do you love salads?
Yeah, I do, but I like it dry. No mayonnaise.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot of chicken. I have to get back to work. Okay. So I'm actually done with the sink. The pipes are not leaking anymore.
Oh. Hello?
Good morning, Sophia.
You must be Ace. Good morning.
You guessed right.
Nice to meet you.
So how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So what do you think about me?
Well, I didn't exactly expect what you would look like or expect to be affianced to anyone at all. But you don't look too bad.
I don't look too bad. No, beautiful is the better adjective to use.
Sorry?
I'm beyond bad. You know, it took 2 days to create a near perfect creature like me. So beautiful is the best word to define me.
Really?
Yeah, I get that a lot. So you should thank your stars because I chose someone like you. I turned down a lot of offer just to be with you.
Excuse you?
Don't be like that.
Don't tell me what to be like. And I'm going to excuse myself. You can enjoy the rest of your day by yourself. Since you're so full of yourself.
Trust me, Sophie.
Please take me to the hotel. Now! Stop the car.
Why?
Since when do I have to start explaining myself to you? Stop the car. Mr. James!
Miss Sophia.
Hi.
Hi, what are you doing here?
Oh, I was just passing through.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to come in so I can drop you off?
Oh, no, I'm okay. I don't want to inconvenience you. I'm okay. It's fine.
Oh no, it's not a bother at all. Just get in, let me drop you off, please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good day, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So, how is Emily?
She's fine. She's doing very well. Thank you.
You mentioned the last time that you were going to register her for culinary school.
Oh, yes.
Are you still going to?
Yes, I am. It's actually going very well. Sorry. Excuse me.
That's fine.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Agent James here. Yes, the house is ready. All the rooms are en suite, in a very good shape. Yes. Oh, I'm ready for viewing tomorrow, if that's okay with you. Okay, sir. No problem. I'll see you tomorrow, 10 o'clock. All right, bye. Sorry about that. I had to take that.
That's fine. You're also a house agent?
Yes, I am. Please, if anyone needs a house for rent or to buy, just let me know. Thank you.
So which way should he go?
Just use that narrow street there.
Oh, okay.
And yes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
You're welcome. Aren't you going to invite me inside?
Miss Sophia shouldn't be at the hotel.
I would really love to meet Emily.
Yeah, I'm sure. She's inside.
I'll find my way back. You can go.
No, I have to wait.
Suit yourself.
Emily, baby. Emily, where are you? There's someone I want you to meet. Hey, girl. Yeah. How are you?
Fine.
Hi, Emily. I'm Sophia.
Sophia the First, I like you.
Do you know the theme song? I was a girl in the village doing all right till I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Let me help you.
No. I'm good.
I went to culinary school, you know.
You did.
Okay. Sorry.
So that means you're a chef.
Well, in another life, I would like to be.
Why are you not practicing?
Priorities.
Really? What is more important than chasing your dreams?
Running my family's business. I have responsibilities.
My dad says dreams are like stars, distant and beautiful. You have to follow them. The only thing blocking you from following your dreams is you. Take a bold step, follow your dreams, chase them, and then you'll find true happiness.
Your dad is right.
That's my girl. All right, let me just help you with this because this is a lot.
You see? Good evening, Dad. Good evening.
You walked out on your guest and husband to be.
Daddy, I am not marrying that proud, arrogant creature. Christ!
That so-called creature owns 60% of our company shares. 60%! What do you think will happen to our 30% when I'm too weak to stand and you take over?
Who cares?
What? Now you listen to me, and listen to me good, you moron. I won't be bothering you if your brother were physiologically okay. The fate of this family rests squarely on your shoulders. It depends on you marrying Ace. Ace is a strong suitor. He will protect our shares, protect you, me, and Jidenna. When the time comes, can't you figure that out?
And what about what I want?
Yeah.
What about my happiness? What about love?
Please. Responsibilities are not bought over by love. But that's something that you're not, you have no idea about things like that. Look, I'll be traveling to London for your brother's checkup, and I'll be back in 2 weeks. Now, by then, I hope your wedding plans will be well underway. Nonsense.
Pick two.
Who?
Both of you.
No, you can't give two people pick two.
So you now, pick one.
Pick two.
Really?
Thank you. I don't know how to play this game, so everybody pick 4, 20. Pick your own, pick your own. Good.
Don't do that. Don't. Play.
Okay, love it.
Ha. What's going on here? Oh. Wait now.
I want circle. I won! No, I didn't.
Yes, right?
No, I didn't cheat. No.
Miss Sophie, you're running late.
It's fine. I won't be long. I just want to drop something off.
I'm just saying I don't want you to get into trouble with Chief if you run late for this meeting with the client.
Thank you for your concern, but I just said I won't be long, okay?
How about I help you with the bags?
No, I'm fine. It's not heavy.
Some for her lot.
I'm done. We can go.
Listen, I'm just saying your dad is not going to like this.
I don't see how that is any of your concern. I think you should focus on what we hired you to do, which is driving. So please, let's go.
Okay.
Someone has been avoiding me.
How did you get
Hey.
inside?
Your maid. She opened the door for me. It looks like everyone here knows who I am to you, except you.
Okay, Ace, I've had a very, very long day. Okay, so I'm going to go upstairs, but please next time before coming, try placing a call through or something.
Oh, okay. Listen, Sophia. I'm sorry. Okay. I just came here to ask you to forgive me. Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, apology accepted. Can you go now, please?
Okay, now that you've accepted my apologies, so tell me when I should come pick you up so we go see the wedding planner.
Wedding planner for whose wedding?
Come on, Sophia, I just apologized a few seconds ago. Okay, let it go. Just give me a time.
Okay, I'm going to go upstairs, shower and sleep because I'm very tired. You can see yourself out whenever you deem fit.
Do not walk out from me. Don't.
Excuse you.
I am sick and tired of this rubbish. This is a business arrangement born out of necessity from which your scheming father stands to benefit from.
My scheming father.
Oh yes, your scheming father.
And tell me, what exactly do you benefit from this business arrangement?
A breeding partner. You'll have sons for me, sons that can take over the family legacy.
A breeding partner. Jesus Christ, do you even hear yourself? Well, if that's what you're looking for, then I'm sure you can find women who are much more beautiful than I am, respectfully, who are waiting at your disposal. Since you're a beautiful man, wasn't that how you addressed yourself?
You flatter me, my love. You called me beautiful. But it's too late because your dad already signed the document. You're officially betrothed to me. Please don't make this harder, okay? Let's just get on with it. Just give me a time, I'll come pick you up. Let's go see a wedding planner. Just tell me when to come pick you.
Dad,
Hey, little fox.
is Auntie Sophia going to be my new mommy?
Honey, honestly, I don't know.
Why?
Because we come from different worlds.
Dad, there are spaceships, there are trains, there are cars for people to travel from one place to another.
I know, that is very true, but this one is different. It's not that easy. But who knows? Nobody knows tomorrow.
I like her.
I like her too. Come here. I love you, right?
Yep.
And I'll do everything to make you happy.
Yep.
Good. Let me get ready for work. Did we finish your food?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Miss Sophie, good evening.
Good evening.
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I'm stepping out.
Okay, let me quickly change this and then
No, it's fine. I'll be okay.
I could just put on.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, let's go.
That is both hilarious and embarrassing at the same time.
I tell you, for straight 2 weeks, I was rethinking my life. Oh my God.
It's a beautiful evening.
It is, but not as beautiful as you.
Thank you.
Okay, so are we going to address the elephant in the room, or you want me to continue acting like I don't have feelings for you? Or that whenever I hear your voice or see your face, it makes my day? Sophia, I have asked you before, what are we doing? Because you're beginning to be the air that I breathe in my world. But if it's not like that with you, please, tell me.
From the moment I laid my eyes on you, James, you changed everything. And I feel the same way. It's just
what?
I have challenges.
What matters is you feel the same way for me. Whatever challenge or challenges there is, we will fix it. We will make it work.
What's that?
Really?
Let me.
You had to do this to me? Let's get out of here. You're gonna have to clean this.
No. Dad, you're back. Why didn't you tell me?
How far have you gone with the wedding plans?
Daddy, you haven't even changed out of your clothes or showered.
Answer me.
It's going fine. I met his parents last week and the wedding is still on course.
Good. That's very good. Well, I think I'm going to go in and change from these clothes so that you can brief me about what has been going on since I was away. Your brother sends his regards.
Oh, and how is he?
Oh, all right. He's hanging in there. Good to see you again. I'm really looking forward to this wedding. Home sweet home. Engineer.
Chief, I did not know you had returned.
Yes, please sit down.
Thank
sit
you.
down.
Thank you so much.
Sometimes it's good to move Nicodemously. At least from time to time.
Yeah.
And my daughter tells me that, you fixed the plumbing issue at the hotel.
Oh, yes.
Am I right?
Yes, I have fixed it.
Good, because I'm building a 70 home estate.
Oh, wow.
Yes, in Gwarimpa. That's Abuja. And I will need an operations manager and then someone I can trust that will handle the plumbing designs.
Oh.
Think you can handle that for me?
Chief. Me. Chief.
Engineer.
I can't know. I can do it. Oh. You want me to handle it?
Sure.
Oh my
Operations
God,
manager and everything that has
Chief,
to
thank
do.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
No, don't thank me. Don't thank me. Don't thank me. Thank Sophia. I mean, she recommended you very, very highly. I hope you live up to the billing.
Chief, I promise you I will not disappoint you.
Great. No problem. I'm fine. I'm okay. Oh, you can leave. So I'll get in touch when soonest I call you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Hi, Chief. Thank you.
Don't mention.
You. God bless you, sir.
Okay.
God bless you.
All right.
I promise I will not disappoint you.
Engineer.
Sir, I will give you A1.
I'll take a word for it.
Yes, sir. Please do.
All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Chief.
Engineer.
Hello? Baby. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Anything for you, my love. And I'm sorry I couldn't see you off.
No, it's okay. I understand. But are we still hanging out with Emily this weekend?
Of course. I wouldn't miss it for the world. Although I won't be able to stay after. I have this thing I need to do for my dad.
Okay. All right. Oh, sure. No problem. I'll call you later.
Okay.
Right? Bye.
Bye.
Honey, you know when school resumes, there'll be no more late night cartoons, right? Yes. I'm serious. Do you know sleep is the foundation of good health and a smart mind, little fox?
Then why do you and Auntie Sophia stay up to 3 in the morning?
Are you serious, girl? Is that what you've been doing? Eavesdropping on our conversations? That is not good. Well, speaking of Auntie Sophia, guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you.
What surprise? You know I love surprises.
Hold on. So, we are going to the amusement park this Saturday. Then after, we will go see a movie.
Which movie?
No, I'm not telling you that one. That one is a surprise. You're not excited? Huh? You're not excited? I know you're excited. You're just pretending. Huh? You happy?
Yeah, I am.
That's good. Well, what? Baby, it's past your bedtime. It's time to go to sleep. Oh no, those puppy eyes won't work on me today. You have to go to sleep. Come on, let's go. It's not gonna work on... Yeah. What are you doing here?
Couldn't you at least invite me in?
How can I help you?
Well, I'm looking for a house.
I thought you lived at Chief's house.
Yes, I do, but this is for a friend.
Oh, okay.
So, how much is your inspection fee?
20K.
20,000. Well, at least it's enough for you to afford Chief's daughter and buy bole and fish.
You know what? I think you should get someone else
Come,
to.
come, 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 come. Ah, so person if you play with you again. Uh, there's nothing wrong in wanting to eat big fish now. Eh?
Do you own the house or not?
Uh, how much did you say it's the money again?
20,000 naira.
Uh, you can have this. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I just. Hello, Miss Sophie. Has your fiance reached out to you today?
No, he did not. Any problem?
No. I just wanted to tell you that he asked me to go get your gown, and it isn't ready. So he suggested that you come over to his place this weekend to try it out.
This is not news. I'm already seeing him this weekend. Let me reach out to him.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right. My brother, it's not easy to plan a wedding these days. I'm sure you understand.
Um, Look, I'm not interested anymore. You can have your money.
Did I do something wrong?
I said I am not interested. Is it by force?
Is everything okay?
My friend, take your money. I'm not interested. What's your problem?
Hey, baby. I got snacks. What's wrong?
At what point were you going to tell me you're getting married?
James, I can explain. I know how it seems, but
Of course you can explain. What sort of wickedness is this? That you will have not only me. Mine is understandable. But my innocent daughter?
baby, please, let me explain.
Every day she's asking of you. Eagerly anticipating seeing you. Meanwhile, you have us building castles in the sky?
No, please, let's just go inside and talk about it. I promise I'll explain everything, please.
I'm sure you're here to tell me that you can stay. Because you have a weekend fiasco at your boyfriend's selecting your wedding gowns.
James, if we could just go inside and sit down and talk about it, you'd understand it's not what it seems like. Please.
So I'm just your fuck buddy.
No.
Is this some sick game you rich kids play
No.
on us mortals?
No.
Then what is it?
It's my father. He's forcing me to marry someone I don't want to be with. Please. It's you that I love and you know it. I don't love him. I have never cheated on you and I was never planning to.
But you're sleeping in his house tonight. And I'm sure it's not the first time. Sophia, I can't deal with this. Just leave us alone.
Baby, please. Please. I know that you're angry now. But whatever you do, do not turn down my father's offer. Think of Emily. Please. James.
Dad, was that Sylvia that just left?
No, little fox. It was just someone I know.
Are we still going to amusement park today?
No, not today. We will go next week, okay? Now, come, let's watch some cartoons, okay? Yeah. Okay, which cartoon do you want to watch?
Donald! Have you lost your mind?
What is
You
it?
told James about Ace.
Well, I didn't know there was a notice prior not to say anything.
Excuse you.
I did it for you.
You did what? For who?
I did it for you. Listen, I think I have feelings for you. I know I have feelings for you. And I know you feel the same way too, but these distractions are not letting you see things for what they truly are.
You know, prior to this conversation, I thought you were just being forward. But now I can see that you are delusional, out of your mind.
Delusional, you say? Come on, I see the way you look at me. For what? For James? James is not half the man I am. For crying out loud, I am the total package. I have quality education, I have good looks. James is just a bag of muscle. What else can he offer you?
You know, the only thing worse than an arrogant man is a broke, arrogant man. Pack your stuff and get out of my father's house. You're fired.
You know you can't do that, right?
Oh, I'm going to tell my father.
Tell him what exactly. Tell your father what exactly. That you have feelings for me. Listen, I only told James about Ace and you were all rattled. Wait till your father finds out about James. You think I'm playing with you? Don't worry. Mrs. Sophia. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I'm not even bothered. I know you come around. You come for this greatness. Mrs. Sophia.
So that's a good one. So just work on the quotation and come on in. In-law. Always looking shiny as a brand new penny. Good to see you. Cheeky boy. Engineer.
Yes, sir.
This is my soon-to-be son-in-law. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. You were going to say something.
I was just going to say it's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, Ace. This is the engineer working on my hotel on the island.
What kind of engineer are you?
It's a plumber.
How sad. The engineering profession has suffered. So even plumbers refer to themselves as engineers.
Well, fine. I suppose you came to see your wife to be, your future wife, right? Is she aware that you come in?
I wanted to surprise her. She's not aware.
Ah, well, anyway, she's been holed up in her room, but talk, talk of the devil, or should I say, the angel, Sophia.
Sir,
Yes,
I'll be leaving now. I would take the necessary information
yes,
from
please.
your daughter.
Send the quotation and then we'll review.
All right, sir. I'll do that. Well, thank you for the
Okay.
Nice to meet you, sir.
I'll be safe.
Yeah.
Ah, Sophia. Aren't you glad that the two of you are here? What a match made in heaven.
Daddy, I will not be marrying Ace.
Sophia. Please, stop this your rough play. Stop it. Or is it the malaria that's affected your brain somehow? I don't know. Ah, I see. Ace. Have you gotten her pregnant already? Is this early morning sickness? Am I soon to become a grand?
Daddy, I will say it again. I will not marry Ace.
Interesting.
And why will you not marry him?
Because I'm in love with someone else.
Wow. Listen, and listen good. Whether you like it or not, you will get married next week. Nonsense. Ace, everything is under control. We got this. Don't worry.
I hope so, Chief.
It's in the bag.
What is it? Have you come for a send-off sex? Huh?
James, please listen. All my life, I've been wandering without direction. I never had the chance to make a choice or to have my own voice. I've just been existing. I've never been truly happy.
Well, if you're looking for happiness, then I am sorry you have missed your way to your fiancé's house.
When I met you, I started to see things differently. The kind father that you are, the way that you love your daughter, the way you encourage her, the powerful words that you say to her. It's beautiful. You're going to register her for a culinary class so she can pursue her dreams.
What has that got to do with you deceiving us?
I didn't deceive you. It's just I never had what Emily has. I was rushed or forced into everything, never knowing what it is that I wanted. Imagine Emily, a 10-year-old girl, scold me about chasing my dreams and following my heart.
Where is this heading?
I called off the wedding and I left home.
What? You did what?
I followed Emily's advice. I'm following my heart. James, I love you.
Well, welcome to stay. That's if you don't mind.
I would love to.
Let me get that.
And that's what happened. And I was confused. I didn't know what to do or how to tell you. But I'm glad it went that way.
It's okay. We will make it work. Life might be different. It might be quite smaller or crowded, but we'll make it happen.
Then let's just get a bigger place.
Why?
What? What's holding us back? If you find the place, I'll pay and we can all move in together as soon as possible.
Sophia, I don't know what to say. I don't think it's right for me to take.
What's wrong? Is it because I'm the one bringing the money? James, just find this new place and I'll pay for it. We'll figure it out. I love you, okay?
I love you too.
Oh. I think we need to carry her inside. She's sleeping.
You do that. I like the colors. The colors are not bad at all. So, what'd you think?
Baby, I really love this place. I think we should get it.
Babe, we have 2 more houses to check.
What's the point? This place is perfect. Enough rooms, enough compound space. It's close to the road. And remember that school that we saw nearby?
Oh,
Emily
yeah.
can go there.
Yeah.
So it's perfect.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
That's true.
Okay. So once we get home, I'll make the transfer and then you can tell us when to move in.
Okay.
All right. What's wrong?
I don't know. I think it's a battery or something. Babe, this man has been calling you for the past 3 days. Why don't you just talk to him? Huh? Let me just check the battery. Yeah? Talk to him.
Hello?
Sophia, when are you coming home? The wedding date is drawing near.
I am not coming home and I'm not marrying that man. I'm with James now and that's final.
All right. Donald will come and pick up the car later today.
And where does he know he's picking up the car from?
The car has been automatically disabled from here, so don't even bother yourself getting a mechanic. And so has all your trust fund, custodian, and company accounts. how far love will carry you and that opportunist. Idiot.
So this is how he wants to play it.
I don't think it's a battery.
Yeah, it's not.
Have you heard about the story between the dog and the cheetahs? The race story. Have you? I'm not surprised. The cheetah was put in race with the dogs, but he refused to race. Do you want to know why, James? Shut up, don't worry. Of course, I can know anything I want to know. It's not hard. Don't make me look stupid. Okay? Back to the story. Anyways, like as I was saying, why the cheetah refused to race with the dog is because they know their superiority. You know, they understand that if they make an attempt to go for the race, they will win the race. Why? They are faster. And it's good for you to know your place as a dog. Anyway, I wouldn't see that as anything, so I don't feel insulted. 50,000 US dollars. James, leave town. Do not come back. Vamos. If you try to take Sophia with you, I will find you and I'll haunt you and kill you. Get out.
So I'll call Maria, and then she can open the door for me. Maybe when everyone is asleep. If I go inside, I know where my father keeps his money. I can take it and then we can leave. Or run away, whichever.
That means we're going to put Maria in trouble.
Okay, so I'll call her out during the daytime then. Just so nobody sees me when I'm... But how will people not see me when I'm going in during the day?
Baby, breathe. Okay, calm down.
I'm scared.
Why?
Why would he shut me out like that?
Babe, I think you should go back. I don't think we thought about this properly.
What are you saying? Stop.
Are you sure what you're feeling is not defiance and anger towards your father? Because you don't have access to money? And do you really want to stay here with me with the bare minimum?
Where is this coming from? If this was ever about money, I would have never left the comfort of my father's home to come here. I love you and you know it.
Okay. I know. I'm sorry. But don't worry. We'll figure it out, okay? I'll never leave you. All right? Come here.
Yeah, hold on.
Where's she?
She's not here.
When are you leaving town for good?
Immediately! Get away from him or I'll cut myself.
Get back. Everyone, get back. Put
And
that,
you, move! Move!
Put that scissors down.
You okay? What kind of a father are you? How can you go to this extent to hurt your daughter? Your own daughter? You were ready to sell my happiness and my future to this for your selfish ambitions?
Everything that I have done for you.
Oh, enough with the lies! Everything you have done for you! You! Always you! What have you ever done for me? Do you have the slightest clue of what it is that I want? Do you even know that I have opinions? I studied business administration in school because that's what you wanted me to study. The only thing I've ever done for myself is go to culinary school, and you crucify me for it every day till this day. And now, you want to permanently subdue me to this thing, a man that I don't love? Enough. Look at James. He's the perfect example of what a father really is. You should look up to him. He's a real father. Do you know how much he loves, protects, and supports his daughter? He's willing to go to the ends of this earth just to make his daughter happy. That is what a father should be. I will never marry this arrogant bastard.
Chief, control your dog.
You are the dog here, Ace.
What?
How dare you?
Chief, I am disappointed.
The agreement is off.
What? No, you can't do that. We had a deal, Chief. We had a deal. If you're doing this, you're breaching the contract. We had a deal, Chief.
I'll pay the damages. Now everybody out of this place. Everybody out! Out! Now! I say out!
Take your stupid money.
house reminds me so much about when I first set out, when I first started, when I met your mother. But ours was much worse than this. Oh, we suffered, though, not be small. It was not easy, but God was faithful. But then I lost her. Do you know why I lost her? I told you that your mother died because she was ill with malaria, but what I did not tell you, what I didn't tell you is that I really lost her because I didn't have 20 naira for the consultation fee for her to see the doctor. I'm not even talking about the drugs. There was no money. And that was in the 90s. If you calculate that now, it will be like 2,000 naira. Imagine losing someone as meaningful as that then because of 20 naira. I swore that never again I will not allow my children to be in that position ever again. You have to understand that I am a father that loves his children. But that being said, I have no right whatsoever, no right at all to interfere, to dictate, to tell you what you should do and what you shouldn't do. I have no right. I have no right. James, I'm sorry for. I'm really sorry for what we did. And I apologize for what I said to you. I am here today, successful and wealthy, because someone gave me a chance. Someone gave me a break. So it would be gross, inconsiderate, and wicked on my part if I don't extend the helping hand to somebody else. It's clear that my daughter loves you, and I can see that you love her as well. James, I am going to set you up so that you can take care of my daughter. But please, she is my only girl, and I'm begging you, take care of her. Will you promise me that?
I will. I will do my best, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome back home, my darling daughter. Oh, it's so exciting. Please, this is just temporary, right? Make hay while the sun shines. I always say. So excited. Who is there?
Sir, the car is ready.
Oh, I'm sorry. Don't worry, Donald. The meeting has been cancelled already. I'm sorry.
Donald, stay back for a second. Daddy?
Yeah.
I have a request.
Oh, what is it?
Can I have the authority to fire whoever it is I find incompetent here at the house At the hotel and at your company?
Look, Sophia, you are my heir. Everything that I have currently belongs to you. All of it. So you are free to hire and fire anyone. I trust your judgment.
Thank you, Daddy.
Come on.
Now, Donald, you're fired. And you should leave immediately.
Sir, I've worked with you for 3 years.
No, Donald. You worked for me, not with me. And if Sophia deem you incompetent and terminate your services, it's best if you pack your belongings and leave immediately. Your salary will be paid promptly.
What are you still waiting for? Excuse yourself.
So where were we? Oh, what a...
We should call Maria to, make us something to eat.
Come on. Look, I suggest we all go to a shiny 5-star hotel, and I was spoil you silly. I'm so excited.
Would you?
Beautiful. I fell in love with you the first time I saw you. Your smile, oh my God, it's so welcoming. And I keep falling so hard for you as the day goes by. I can't imagine myself waking up without you beside me. Sophia, marry me. And I promise to be beside and love you forever. With you, every day is an adventure. And every moment a treasure. Please, say yes to me and make me the happiest man in the world.
Yes, I will. Stop asking already.
Money and love. If I choose love, tell me if I'm wrong. Money and love. If I choose love, tell me if I'm wrong. Money and love. If I choose love, tell me if I'm wrong. Money and love. If I choose love, tell me if I'm wrong. Baby, it's you I choose. I don't care if they call me a fool. I love you too, I want not another. Spend the rest of my life under your roof. Journey of my life's me and you. I'll be your shade, you be my shelter. Baby, it's you I choose.